If you need to change your iPhone's IP address to any location, here's how to do it. The easiest way to change your IP address is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. VPNs let you choose the country you want your phone to appear from. To do that, go to the App Store and download a trusted VPN like NordVPN or ProtonVPN. After that, open the VPN app and create an account if needed. Most VPNs offer free trials or basic plans to get started. In the app, pick the country or city where you want your IP to appear. This could be the United States, UK, Japan, or any location available. Then, tap the connect button, and once connected, your IP address will instantly change to the location you selected. And to verify, open your browser and go to whatismyipaddress.com. You will see your new IP address and location there. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.